Alright, you guys, come spend the day with me. I'm going to see my best friend that I have not seen in forever, and we're gonna go to dinner and go to the beach. We're heading to the beach, and Maya just told me that
right now.
Maya told me that we're going on a hike in the sand, and these are the shoes I wore.
It's not really a hike. We just have to sit.
Hey guys, we got our Starbucks. I got a pink drink. What'd you get?
Girl, you gotta cut this one.
Take number 2. What'd you get?
Yeah.
Alright, take number 3. I got a pink drink from Starbucks.
I got a peach lemonade.
Hey guys, we made it to the town, and we are trying to.
Chester's Market.
And we're trying to find a restaurant, but the city is very small. Is this it?
Yeah.
This is where we're going.
It looks sick.
Guys, we're at a bar and we're right now. We need to leave. We tell me what to do. The burgers are $18. And we have to catch the sunset and we're about to miss it. Oh yeah.
We're at the beach.
Alright guys, we made it to our next dinner place, hopefully. And look how sunny it is.
It's covered right now, but there's also big rocks.
Alright you guys, we got dinner. It's on me. I got a corn dog and she got chicken strips. And then we are heading down to the beach after this. We are both currently putting on our lips. Alright, we're walking down to the beach. Update. We did not get here early enough for, yes, really cute, for the way Maya and I take pictures. So we're gonna hike up this mountain and hopefully we can get up there before sunset. Currently climbing the mountain. I failed you guys. I'm not sure what I've recorded. Still, her hat's on sideways. We are taking photos. Guys, we have took a bajillion photos, and I think we're headed home now.